浴缸、浴室。So luxury, nice. 干湿分离的浴室。漂亮，好明亮哦，好多镜子哦，超棒的，超级大的衣橱。哇，这是他们 clean room 的方法吗？用 steamer， 感觉还蛮厉害的。那个也是我们用的，就是消毒的80% 的酒精，全部都擦。但是我们还是要再清一次。这边可以办公。哇，它还有这个 Alexa。Hi Alexa。不知道怎么用。哇！这个下面是高速公路吗？啊，不是，是 Wilshire Boulevard。哇！I was never in love with you, and most of the time I thought I don't even like you. I know you just weren't right. Yeah, I was in love with someone I wish you were. Loved you, I was close, kept you just a blur. I couldn't face it, but now I do. Truth is, I was never in love with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I looked at us through a filter. The real thing looked nothing alike. I gave it all I'd have killed for you. You always cold inside. I was never in love with you, and how most of the time I thought I don't even like you. I don't even like you. I knew you just weren't right. The leaves curl up and brown, the birds find warmer ground, and every willow finds its pillow. Waves relinquish sound, although the skies turn cold and breezes followed suit. The autumn love that's clinging to me will never bite the boot. I will not love again the way I love said I needed time alone, and time alone I took. Now look, I'm happy as a in any other arms, these arms that made me see this woman I can be, true as I am. My own reform, a place called home. Inside I proudly find a way to plainly see what I could find in me. I've killed for you. You always cold inside. I was never